Construction is officially underway at the historic Besse Hotel. Once complete, the project will feature housing, along with a blend of public and office space. It's a true guerrilla effort, with both current students and alumni helping bring the vision to life.
Oh, I'm very proud of this project. I mean, there's a lot of potential here to make this look pretty cool when it's all said and done. I mean, this will definitely be something that a lot of people will walk through and see and hopefully be blown away by it when it's all said and done.
I think it's something that I can, tell my kids and grandkids about. Wherever I'm at, whether I'm, here or somewhere else, and I can always bring them back here, and I can show them this is something that I did as, a job of being a graduate from Pitt State, one of my first jobs, and bring them to a Pitt State football game, show them kind of the college life that I lived, and show them what this place will always mean to me.